Hi, James Braithwaite here. I've been busy in the garden again, but not mine. My mother picked these obelisks up from home base in a flat pack form. I've just been putting this and that one together. We've just put them up now. Yep, the weather's just closed in, which to be honest, I'm grateful of, given how much planting and things I've been doing at home, you know, with my vegetable patch. So this is really quite welcome. Some nice stuff here. Pond might get a bit of a top up, and around here is still going well. I was going to look at my fruit trees this afternoon, but I don't think I'll have much chance to do that. Can I stop it? I think I've earned myself a rest. I've got a banging headache. Anyway, see you in the next one. Alright, see you soon. Right, bye.